Hello and welcome to this video about product artifacts. In this video, we will explore what product artifacts are, their significance, and how they are used in the product development process. Product artifacts are an essential component of the product development process and play a critical role in ensuring that products are designed and built according to requirements. We will look at some of the most commonly used product artifacts and how they are used in the development process. What are product artifacts? Product artifacts are any documents, diagrams, or other types of materials that are used in the product development process. They can be physical or digital and are created throughout the development lifecycle. The purpose of product artifacts is to document the product requirements, design, and development processes, as well as to provide guidance and direction to the development team. Product artifacts also serve as a reference for future development and maintenance activities. Types of product artifacts. Requirements documents. Requirements documents are the first type of product artifact created during the product development process. They outline the product's functional and non-functional requirements, including features, performance, and usability requirements. The requirements document provides a clear understanding of what the product should do, and how it should perform. User personas. User personas are fictional characters that represent the different types of users who will interact with the product. User personas are created based on research and data collected about the product's target audience. They help product developers understand the user's needs, goals, and pain points, which are used to inform the product's design and development. Use cases. Use cases are scenarios that describe how users will interact with the product. They provide a step-by-step process of how the user will use the product to achieve a specific goal. Use cases help to ensure that the product's functionality meets the user's needs and expectations. Design documents. Design documents are created after the requirements document and user personas are developed. They provide a detailed description of the product's design, including the user interface, user experience, and overall look and feel of the product. Design documents are used as a blueprint for the product's development. Wireframes and prototypes. Wireframes and prototypes are visual representations of the product's design. Wireframes are basic sketches or layouts of the product's user interface, while prototypes are functional representations of the product's design. They help to identify design flaws and ensure that the product's design meets the user's needs and expectations. Test plans. Test plans outline the testing process for the product. They provide a detailed description of how the product will be tested, including the types of tests that will be performed, and how the test results will be documented. Test plans ensure that the product meets the quality standards and that it is ready for release. Technical documentation. Technical documentation provides a detailed description of the product's technical specifications and how it works. Technical documentation is used by developers and support staff to understand the product's architecture and functionality. Technical documentation includes user manuals, installation guides, and API documentation. Release notes. Release notes are used to communicate changes made to the product during the development process. They provide a summary of the new features and improvements added to the product, as well as any known issues or bugs. Release notes are used to inform users about changes to the product and how to use the new features. Significance of product artifacts. Product artifacts play a critical role in the product development process. They provide a clear understanding of the product's requirements, design, and development processes. Product artifacts ensure that the product is developed according to the user's needs and expectations. They also serve as a reference for future development and maintenance activities. Product artifacts help to ensure that the product meets the quality standards and is ready for release. Product artifacts are an essential component of the product development process. They provide a clear understanding of the product's requirements, design, and development processes, and help to ensure that the product meets the user's needs and expectations. Product artifacts serve as a reference for future development and maintenance activities, and help to ensure that the product meets the quality standards and is ready for release. The different types of product artifacts include requirements documents, user personas, use cases, design documents, wireframes and prototypes, test plans, technical documentation, and release notes. Each of these artifacts serves a specific purpose in the product development process, and they are created and used at different stages of the development lifecycle. Additionally, product artifacts also play a significant role in collaboration and communication within the product development team. They serve as a means of communication between team members, stakeholders, and customers, ensuring that everyone involved in the project is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Furthermore, product artifacts are not just limited to the product development process, they also play a critical role in product maintenance and updates. When new features or improvements are added to a product, it is essential to update the relevant product artifacts to reflect these changes. This ensures that the product remains up to date and meets the changing needs of its users. In conclusion, product artifacts are an essential aspect of the product development process. They provide a clear understanding of the product's requirements, design, and development processes, facilitate collaboration and communication within the product development team, and help to ensure that the product meets the quality standards and the user's needs. By using product artifacts, product development teams can create products that are user-friendly, of high quality, and meet the needs of their target audience.